this question. A spherical ball of mass 5 kg rests between two planes, which makes angle 30 degree and 45 degree respectively with horizontal. Okay, so spherical ball is between these two surfaces, and the surfaces are at 45 and 30 degree. The system is in equilibrium. The system is in equilibrium. Find normal force exerted on the ball by each of the planes. The planes are smooth. Okay, so what will be normal force? Okay, so we will first draw a diagram for this. So if we make the diagram, (45 degree) and 30 degree, and the ball is like this. So what are the forces? So one is normal here, that is N1 suppose. Second is normal here, that is N2. These two are not in opposite direction, they are at some different angle. This is at 30 degree and this is at 45. Okay, so these two are not just opposite to each other, they are at different angles, and there is an mg here. So if you make a free body diagram, it will be like this: mg downward. Okay, normal. So one normal is, this normal will be 30 degree with vertical, this normal N1, 30 degree with vertical. Okay, second normal will be 45 degree. 45 degree means like this. Exactly midway, like this. 45 degree. 45 degree from both sides, because 45 is equal from both sides, so 45 degree from both. So this is the expression. Now we have to find the normal force. So what we can use the Lannis theorem. So Lannis theorem, first we need to write the angle. So if this is 45, this will be 45. If this is 30, so 180 minus 30, this is 150. And this side is how much? 90 plus 30 plus 45. So 90 plus 30, that is 120, and 120 plus 45, so that is 165. So we can write like this. We can write N1 by N1, and in front of N1 is how much? Or better, instead of Lannis theorem, we can write vertical horizontal equation, because the angle here you can see, this angle will come how much? This angle total will be 45 plus 30, that is 75 plus 90, so it will be 165. So it is difficult to solve this 165. So better to use the equations along x and y. So that will be easier to solve for this particular question. So if you write equation along x, how much it will be? It will be n2 cos 45, n2 cos 45, this component, and then n1 sin 30, n1 sin 30. Object is not moving, so we can balance the forces. Similarly, equation along y along equation. So vertical is n1 cos 30, n1 cos 30, and second is other side, the downward side is mg, and then n2 sin 45. This is n2 sin 45 downward. Okay, so these are the equations. So we can simplify it. So how much it will be? If we solve it, this n2 cos 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 30 is 1 by 2. So this is root 2 n2 equal to n1, and this side it will be root 3 by 2 n1 equal to mg. M is given, so that m is how much? 5 kg. 5 kg into g, 5 into 10 plus n2 is how much? N2 is Okay, n2 by root 2. So we can do it like this. And how much if you want to solve, we can replace n1. If you replace n1 from here, we can replace n1 in this one. If you replace it, we will have root 3 by 2, and n1 is root 2 n2 equal to 50 plus n2 by root 2. So if you solve it, root 3 by 2 plus minus 1 by root 2 into n2 equal to 50. So 50 is how, n2 is how much? N2 is 50 by root 2 will come in numerator, that will be root 3 minus 1. So in this way we can solve, or you can solve it further. If you rationalize the denominator, it will be 50 root 3, 50 root 2, and root 3 plus 1 divided by 2. Or you can write 25 root 2 root 3 plus 1. So what all these are answers, means you can leave it here or you can solve it like this. So this is n2. Now what will be n1? N1 is root 2 times n2. So that will be root 2 times 25 root 2 root 3 plus 1. So it will be how much? It will be 50 root 3 plus 1. So in this way we can solve. Okay.